The owners of this unit is a loving couple who stays here for the past 14 years. So this place has definitely served them well and gave them very good memories. This two-bedder home provides functional spaces where one can fully maximize. Hello everyone, I'm Irene Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'm here to introduce you to a fantastic unit at Edelweiss Park. Edelweiss Park Condominium is a freehold condo development located in Pasir Ris District 17. There are various facilities that residents can enjoy. It includes the barbecue area, a jacuzzi, tennis courts, fun pool, a playground, and the swimming pool. This unit is tucked at the corner of the development. The owners truly enjoy serenity and privacy. If you love the ease and you're looking for a spacious two-bedder in a freehold development, this condominium in Floral Road awaits you. The living and dining area is where the owners spend most of their time at, enjoying family bonding and quality time over the dining table. The master bedroom is generous in space. The owners have not only one, but two huge beds in it. Natural sunlight and breeze stream in from the full-height windows, making the home well-lit and cool. The bedroom is so huge that the owners added two more wardrobes on top of the existing built-in wardrobe. The bedrooms and the bathrooms are well lit so that they don't need to always switch on the lights. A queen-size bed can even fit into the second bedroom, although the owners decided to leave more space for a study corner with a single bed instead. The kitchen is fully equipped with nice cabinetry, bright and neat, ample space for cooking and preparation. Walking past the kitchen, it extends into the yard area. The layout is fantastic for small families who wish for a two-bed, two-bath concept. This unit has a built-in size of 1033 square feet, a layout that is rare to find these days. If you want to know more about this beautiful home, do connect with me at 9846-9648 and I'll be happy to show you around.